his stomach. Grab him by his stomach.
I'm gonna stand right there. Billy's going that way.
Oh, no! You sucked his vagina!
Come on!
You ate out the vagina!
You said the head, not that.
Round two!
Not on the dick! Not on the dick!
You said the head!
Dude, you like seriously ate out of
This asshole is, look at it, look at it.
You beat the shit out!
You said the head.
Don't do
Eat
it.
the head.
You ate out the asshole! He ate out the asshole of a bitch!
No, I can't.
I missed it!
Hey, slow! Now that's retarded.
That's retarded! Oh, there you go. You ate out the asshole of a bitch! Because you're retarded! Come on, Knob. Come on. Oh, man. Oh, that's so Oh, it's too much. You okay? Josh, it's right by your feet. Fucking bite its stomach like you said.
This shit tastes.
It's right by your foot. Bite its stomach like you said you're gonna do.
Cassettes!
How's fish shit taste?
It's shit. Oh.
You okay, Nobber?
Oh,
Bite that fish's stomach like you said.
I did.
No, bite it. Bite it. Rip it.
I did.
Do you have a beer kicking? Give him a beer. Josh, do you have a beer in your hand?
Yes, he does.
I just want to make sure. Take a sip of that, switch it in your mouth, and then empty it. Empty your mouth. Seriously.
Yeah.
Now, well, whatever's in the stomach will go out, and then
Yeah.
never.
Oh, this guy pukes so much. Everybody knows that.
Never.
That's what he does. It's his thing.
Yeah. He's a puker.
Like you I've never seen anything like before.
You okay? You okay, Nobber? Talk to the camera. Say a word.
He set the record one night 5 times puke. 5 times still dry.
You good? This is second, dude. This is already. Yeah, is this second time today?
Third.
Third?
I'm good. I'm good.
Third?
I'm good.
Third time you
I
puked.
can't. Hey,
Can't do the fish?
I bit into the stomach.
You put in his fucking asshole.
Yeah, but
I ate a fucking frog's head off, dude. Come on.
You ate a frog, not frog's head.
oh shit, I'm fucking.
I'll do. I don't give a fuck, dude. I like it.
You said
Well, it's right
you
there.
said you ate a fucking fish's face. You ate his fucking asshole.
Yeah,
How do you feel about that right
Who cares, really?
now? Okay, I'll
Bite it
I'll
again.
No,
Are you fucking recording this shit? Jesus Christ.
you bite into it.
No way. I'll give you props on that one.
I'll eat anything.